Let me ask you something simple. Have you ever applied a moisturizer that everyone swears by, but your skin still felt tight, irritated, or dry just an hour later? Or maybe you tried ceramide creams, hydrating serums, barrier balms, all the trending things, but your skin still acted confused. One day fine, the next day angry. 1 week glowing, the next week flaking. Here's the part most people never hear. Your skin isn't reacting because the product is bad. It's reacting because your barrier lipids are out of balance, and no product on earth can help until you fix that first. The truth is that your skin barrier doesn't just want moisture. It needs a very specific, science-backed combination of ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. Not one. Not two. But all three working together in the right ratio. This is why dermatologists like Dr. Whitney Bowe, Dr. Shireen Idris, and researchers like Dr. Peter Elias keep repeating the same thing. If the barrier is broken, everything else breaks with it. Your acne treatments won't act right. Your brightening serums won't work. Your skin won't heal properly. But when you understand the simple formula behind the barrier, everything changes. And to understand why your skin keeps behaving in ways you don't expect, you first need to know what the barrier actually is, which is not what most people think it is. And once you hear this, the entire skincare world will suddenly make sense. If you ask most people to point to their skin barrier, they'll probably touch their face and say, "It's that top part." But the barrier is not just the surface. It's not even something you can truly see. Your skin barrier is a living, breathing shield made of tightly packed skin cells and a complex mixture of fats. Dermatologists often use the brick and mortar analogy to explain it. The skin cells are the bricks. The lipids, ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids are the mortar holding everything together. This mortar is the real MVP. It decides whether your skin stays calm, hydrated, and smooth, or whether it becomes irritated, flaky, and reactive. Experts like Dr. Whitney Bowe talk about this constantly because when the mortar weakens, the bricks start falling apart. That's when skin loses water easily, becomes sensitive, and gets inflamed over almost anything. Even the products you've used for years. But here's the thing. Your barrier lipids work like ingredients in a recipe. If one is missing, the whole recipe collapses. Think of making bread with only flour and water, no yeast. It will never rise. In skincare, people keep adding the flour or the water, hoping their skin will magically get better, but without the right lipids, the barrier can't rebuild itself. Now here's where things get even more interesting. Not all lipids work the same. One of them acts like the glue keeping your barrier from falling apart, and most damaged skin is lacking it more than anything else. And to understand why so many people walk around with low levels of this essential lipid, let's talk about the quiet hero called ceramides. Ceramides are like the glue that keeps your skin barrier from breaking. Think of them as the thing that tells your skin, stay strong. Don't let water escape. Don't let irritants in. When ceramides drop, which happens more often than people think, your skin starts acting like a wall with missing cement. Water slips out. Irritants slip in. The wall becomes weak. This is why dermatologists like Dr. Alexis Stevens, Dr. Dre, and brands like CeraVe keep pushing ceramide-based products. It's not marketing, it's simple biology. Symptoms of low ceramides include persistent dryness, redness after washing, products stinging for no reason, a tight, stretched feeling after cleansing. Here's something people don't realize. Your skin naturally produces ceramides, but age, heat, harsh cleansers, overexfoliation, and even stress can drain them faster than your body can replace them. Even worse. Some people use only ceramides thinking they're rebuilding their barrier, but ceramides alone cannot fix the barrier. Why? Because ceramides need cholesterol and fatty acids beside them to actually work. Dermatologist Dr. Peter Elias, the scientist who uncovered the science of barrier lipids, discovered something groundbreaking. Ceramides must work in a specific ratio with cholesterol and fatty acids. Otherwise, they don't activate the repair process. So yes, ceramides matter, but they're only one piece of the story. There is another lipid that almost nobody talks about, even though it becomes more important as we age. And if you don't know this one, your barrier will never fully recover. Cholesterol in skincare often surprises people. They hear the word and think of diet or health warnings. But the cholesterol your skin needs has nothing to do with the cholesterol in food. In your barrier, cholesterol acts like the flexibility agent. It keeps your skin soft instead of stiff. It helps repair tiny cracks. It reduces that stubborn tight feeling after washing your face. Hey Race, what's shocking? As you age, your skin naturally produces less cholesterol, much less. This is one of the reasons older skin becomes drier, more irritated, and slower to heal. Barrier repair slows down because one of the key ingredients is missing. This is why experts like Dr. Peter Elias and brands like SkinCeuticals focus so heavily on cholesterol in their barrier repair formulas. Not because it's trendy, but because without it, your barrier won't bounce back. Common signs of low cholesterol include tight, stiff-feeling skin even after moisturizing, dry patches that return quickly, skin that takes forever to heal, irritation after gentle products. Now hey Race, the twist. Most ceramide creams on the market are low in cholesterol. In fact, many drugstore moisturizers are heavy on fatty acids and ceramides but don't have enough cholesterol to complete the repair cycle. This is why some people try multiple barrier creams and still feel like nothing changes. But hey Race, where everything starts coming together. Because there's a third type of lipid that powers everything. And without enough of it, even high-quality ceramides and cholesterol can't do their job. Fatty acids are like fuel. They give your skin the softness, flexibility, and smoothness that makes the barrier feel healthy and nourished. There are essential fatty acids, EFAs, that your skin cannot produce on its own. This is why oils like safflower, rosehip, evening primrose, and sunflower are praised by experts like René Rouleau and educators like Hiram, because they naturally contain barrier-building fatty acids. But hey Race, where things get tricky. Too much of the wrong fatty acids can actually disrupt your barrier. For example, oleic acid, found in oils like olive oil, can weaken the barrier, making it more permeable over time. Linoleic acid, found in safflower or sunflower, strengthens it. So not all oils behave the same way on the skin. Using the right fatty acids will rebuild your skin. Using too many of the wrong ones will make your barrier worse. This is why your skin sometimes gets worse when you add random oils, even natural ones. Fatty acids matter, and they matter a lot. But hey Race, the real key. Your skin doesn't just need ceramides. It doesn't just need cholesterol. It doesn't just need fatty acids. It needs them in a very specific ratio, a ratio your skin is born with, and one that science finally understands. And once you hear this ratio, everything you've ever wondered about your barrier will suddenly click. This is the part the skincare industry rarely talks about openly. Your skin barrier needs ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids in a perfect balance, usually close to a 1:1:1 ratio. This means 1 part ceramides, 1 part cholesterol, 1 part fatty acids. When this ratio becomes unbalanced, even slightly, the barrier repair process slows down. Too many fatty acids. The skin becomes greasy but still dry underneath. Too many ceramides. The barrier becomes stiff and brittle. Too much cholesterol. The skin becomes soft but weak. This ratio explains why some products feel amazing but don't fix anything. It explains why some creams take weeks to work while others start repairing overnight. And it explains why people with sensitive skin often struggle for years before noticing real improvement. Brands like Stracia, SkinFix, and SkinCeuticals are among the few that follow this science closely. Most others focus on one lipid and ignore the rest. When your barrier lipids return to balance, everything changes. Hydration stays in your skin. Redness reduces. Irritation calms down. Breakouts begin to stabilize. Texture smooths out. When the ratio is wrong, the skin sends signals, and once you understand these signals, you can tell exactly what your barrier is missing. So how do you know which lipid your skin needs more of? The signs are right on your face. Your skin speaks, loudly, but most people don't know how to read the signs. Every lipid shortage leaves a trace. Hey Race, how to decode it. If your skin feels tight or stiff, you're likely low on cholesterol. This is common as we age. If your skin is red, easily irritated, or burns when applying products, you may be low on ceramides. Ceramide loss makes the barrier thin and reactive. If your skin develops tiny bumps or looks rough and uneven, you might be low in the right fatty acids, especially linoleic acid. If your skin looks shiny but still feels dry, this means there are too many fatty acids, not enough ceramides. If your skin gets flaky after exfoliating, even with gentle acids, this often points to cholesterol deficiency. If your skin absorbs moisturizer but dries out again fast, this usually signals ceramide imbalance. Once you learn these patterns, choosing skincare becomes simple, even fun. But knowing what your skin is missing is only half the battle. You need a repair plan, one that doesn't overwhelm your skin or make the barrier worse. And once you follow these next steps, you'll rebuild your barrier faster than you expect. Repairing your skin barrier doesn't require a complicated routine. It requires strategy, the right steps in the right order, using the right balance of lipids. Here's the safe and effective way dermatologists and skin scientists approach it. Step 1. A gentle, low-foam cleanser. Harsh cleansers strip ceramides and fatty acids. Look for calming, non-foaming formulas like those from Bioderma, La Roche-Posay, or Etude. Step 2. Add moisturizers with balanced lipids. Use creams with the 1:1:1 ratio. Brands like Stracia Liquid Gold, Skin Fix Barrier Plus, or SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Restore follow this science. These don't just moisturize. They rebuild. Step 3. Limit exfoliation. Most people over-exfoliate. Cutting back allows ceramide and cholesterol levels to recover. Step 4. Seal with fatty acids, if needed. Lightweight oils rich in linoleic acid strengthen the barrier. Look for safflower, rosehip, or sunflower. But use sparingly, too much can tilt the lipid ratio. Step 5. Stay consistent. Barrier repair isn't instant. But when you feed the skin the right lipids in the right ratio, improvement shows quickly. Tighter texture. Less redness. Faster healing. Smoother appearance. And the best part. Once you restore the barrier fully, the rest of your skincare finally works correctly. But even after repairing, there's a cheat code to keeping your barrier strong long-term, a simple rule that everyone should follow. Because when you understand this final concept, your skin becomes easier to manage for life. Your skin barrier isn't just a layer of skin. It's a living system built on 3 lipids working in harmony: ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. Every time this system gets unbalanced, your skin shows it, through dryness, irritation, breakouts, or slow healing. And every time you restore the balance, the skin transforms. The entire goal of skincare becomes simple. Support the system, and the system supports you. That's why barrier science matters. It's why dermatologists emphasize it. And it's why products only work when the barrier is working. Before you leave, I want to ask you something important for skincare theory. Did you get exactly what you expected when you clicked on this video, or did you learn something you didn't know before? If you want more educational skincare breakdowns like this one, the next video is waiting for you. Your skin barrier is only the beginning. Thank you for watching till the end, and please don't forget to like, share, turn on the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. You will be helping me reach my goal.